Hey, back with another update video about the million mile Accord restoration. So today is March 14, 2024. We're now less than 30 days from HDay, so I'm really excited to get the car ready to go for the show. So the last video was the unboxing video, so I wanted to tell you what's happened since then. So got the bumper cover, pulled the passenger seat out of the 9th Gen Coupe and hauled the bumper cover out to the body shop. While I was there, I took a short little walk around video of the shell. They had the shell all painted, so I'll show you that here in a second. And then got a call from the upholstery shop, and they had the cat skin leather interior installed on the seats, so that's all done. So I got those home, put some leather conditioner on it. They look really, really nice. So I'll show you that here in a second as well. So out here in the garage, got interior pieces, bits and parts and stuff on the workbench. So once I get the car back, I'll get all that put back on there and stuff. So I'll show you some pictures here as well as those videos. So I just want to give you a quick little update. So I was supposed to hear from the body shop this week. I might hear from them tomorrow, or might be next week before I get the car back. But after that, looking at getting the tint redone, probably some ceramic coating done. Still waiting on the dealer to get the seat belt in so they can replace the driver's side seat belt and the seat belt buckle, which that and the SRS module will clear my SRS light off the dash. All right, this was the other long box that had the window trim in it. I went ahead and opened it. I didn't want to make the video any longer, but here it is. It's got the emblems in there. So got a new V6 emblem for the back, red badge signifying that's the 6.6. Another Honda emblem, Accord for the back. We've got the window trim pieces. These got both the lowers and another upper part. And then these are the clips for the underhood installation. All right, so that's all the parts we got for now. So, all right, we'll see you for the next update. Thanks for watching. All right, got the bumper today. So here's the car as it sits now. They had to replace the windshield, said that when they pulled it out, I guess the people that did it before was over too far, so when they pulled it out it cracked, so it's got a new windshield in it. Had all the bad paint spots up here before and then behind the sunroof, and then had the little ripples down the side here, so those are all gone now, so that's good to see. Dirty. So they're gonna touch that up for me. Sounds like about maybe one more week or so, and I'm actually getting ready to go get the seats after I leave here. They got a big old pile of parts in there for it. All right, hopefully in about a week or so we'll see this thing back together again.